today. I'm gonna show you how to get real voice app in only 3 days. Just watch. Click more. Now get into settings. Go account info. Now put your email that says none where I already put my email right now. So guys, put your email over here and now verify it. So if it says like this one, verifying na too many attempts to upload in, please try again later. Do it what it says so we can do it. Now so we can verify our age. Now after 3 days I already have voice chat, but this is my first time trying it. So just copy what I said right now. Put this thing right now. Bye guys, this is just a shortcut. Bye.